This year marks the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between China and Pakistan. To celebrate the anniversary and to deepen the bilateral cooperation, the China-Pakistan Friendship Square opened in central China's Woohan, Hubei province on Tuesday.
3、2、1 Congratulations! 祝贺中巴友谊。
The square truly reflects the great affinity, the great solidarity, and most importantly, the deep love, trust, and respect between our two countries and our two people.
"我们将以高等院校之间的交往为基础，实物化教育合作，加强人文交流，促进人文往来，筑牢湖北与巴基斯坦的交流的基础。"